What's up, beautiful people? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to get into this tutorial with YGWIGS. Shout out to YGWIGS for sponsoring this video. Let's get right into it. You already know what I'm going to tell you guys. This is exactly what the crochet hair looks like, but we are going to start with freshly washed hair as always. When we are doing these quote-unquote protective styles, we always deep condition our hair. As always, these are the bundles, and this is what it comes with: a hair comb, edge brush, and it also comes with this long XL bonnet, which I love. It's super soft and buttery, and it's great for protecting your hair at night. Let's get into it. So for my base, I'm just going to create 10 to 12 straight back braids using this leave-in conditioner that I have. This is just going to be a simple foundation for this crochet hairstyle. If you're not new to my channel, comment down below and let me know one of your favorite hairstyles that I created this year. And if you are new to my channel, let me know some of the hairstyles that you would like to see from me in 2026. I'm not sure if I'm going to do them, but I'm open to recommendations. Now it's time to install. So with YGWIGS Burmese curly ends hair, you get 5 full packs for this hairstyle, which is double drawn, meaning it's thick from root to tip. No wispy ends. This hair is full all the way through. The color is natural black, and it's because it's 100% human hair. And of course, because it's 100% human hair, you can wash it, color it, curl it, all of the above. Now my last 2 rows in the front, this gets a little tricky, but I always try to finesse it so that way you can't see my braids. So I'm going to show you 2 different methods that I use. So I use the under crochet method, which I am crocheting underneath and not using the crochet needle facing the ceiling. But I'm going to show you that method. And then the second method is the invisible method. So that's what I'm showing you right now. So it's basically you creating a knot and not pulling 2 strands of crochet through the needle, but just one. Is the finished look. I did not use the full 5 packs. I used about 4 and a little over and a half, about 4.5 packs of hair, and as you can see, it's pretty full. I didn't cut a lot of it off, but I cut just enough. I felt like this style ended up being very, very full, so I feel like 4 packs will definitely get you there. 5 if you really want that full look. This hair was fairly easy. You can use connecting thread or micro loops depending on your preference. As you can see, I'm just using a crochet needle. You slide the tool underneath the braid, you attach, pull through, and secure it and release. And that's simply what I did. Now let's define the curls. This is my favorite part, the shaping and blending. So once everything is installed, I gently trimmed the uneven pieces. Like I said, I didn't cut off a lot. And then I start to curl the hair. So I'm just going to go in with my spray bottle of water and my leave-in conditioner to run that throughout my hair, or throughout this hair. Although I chose not to leave any of my natural hair out, you can definitely blend this with your natural hair. In order to define the curls, I'm just going in and finger coiling it, letting that dry, and then I'm going to later separate the coils. hair as is for a soft curly look, or you can define the curls with mousse or a light curling cream. And because it's human hair, styling is super easy. So like I said before, you can wash it, you can flat iron it if you want to. There's so many different things that you can do with this hair because it is human hair. If you're looking for human hair crochet that's soft, natural, and beginner friendly, definitely try YGWIGS Burmese Curly Feather Crochet. I'll link everything down below in my description box, and shout out to YGWIGS for partnering with me on this video. Thank you, and as always, stay prayed up.